new style boards. So there's lots happening over the course of the next 2 hours. So if you're interested in pedaling, paddling, sailing, or windsurfing, this is the place to be.
Mike 1? Okay. Terry, where are you? I'm going to start with I'm Skip Taylor from Swift Canoe and Kayak. I'm going to start with a demo of a boat that's very unique that we have. Before we do our recreational and light touring demonstrations, I'm going to start with the boat we have that's extremely unique. It's called the Hobie Adventure Island, and it's one that you can paddle, or sail. And I'll tell you some things about it. I'll come around to the middle of the pool there so you can see me, and we'll talk about this boat. As soon as these people get out of the way here, we'll zip over to see you. I'm going to go across the lake here, just paddling, just using the paddles. Now, if people can see me right about here, I will try to give you some little information about this particular boat, because some of you have never seen anything like this before. This is by Hobie, which is a name that's been around for a long time. Many of you have heard of Hobie cats or Hobie catamarans, and it's the same company. They're made in California. Hobie developed what's called a pedal drive system about 3 years ago, which basically looks like a penguin's fin. That's the pedal drive system right there that drives this kayak. And you saw just how fast this thing can go through the water. This particular boat has got a lot of versatility because of the fact that if I can take all of the parts off of it, and I've got myself a 16-foot sit-on-top kayak that I can paddle. I've also got a 16-foot sit-on-top kayak that I can pedal. So it's a good cardio exercise. I had gotten into this boat years ago because of the fact that I had some rotator cuff surgery. And I couldn't do as much paddling with my surgery, so I still wanted to get over in the States. But with the regular fins on this, I can go about 5 miles an hour, which is pretty fast. And with the turbo fins, which are 25% bigger than these, I can go about 7.5 to 8 miles an hour. So it's a very efficient system. The weight of the boat, the total weight of the boat is 115 pounds. You can rig it and unrig it. It takes about 5 minutes. I pull 2 bungee cords over here. The pontoons or the yamas come off. I pull 4 pins here. The arms come off. They go in a bag. I take the sail out, that goes in the bag. People that just came in, and then we'll go from there. So if you guys want to come down and meet me on the dock, but the rudder, by the way, is right on my left hand. That controls the rudder, right under my left hand. And it turns. I'm going to try and scoot in between these people.
I think the problem there with Skip is he doesn't want to run anybody over now. We got so many people out here enjoying paddling that he can't go get a good head of speed.
Right.
And that's good because we don't want to